Matt, say a word. There's Matt. He's a year-old male tabby, as you can see. And he's very hungry. I met him the Sunday before Memorial Day. And he's been sitting outside my house pretty much ever since then. He loves attention, he loves food, and he has an ear clipped if you couldn't be able to tell. So I believe he's been neutered already. And he's very lovable, and I would love to find a good home for him. However, I cannot be that good home as I'm inheriting 3 cats from my fiancé in a few months. So this is Matt. Matt would love to be a part of your house. So be sure to call Jay at 904-472-7076 so you can bring Matt home and see he's performing. Matt, what do you say? Okay, I think he's done performing.